Ever pondered on the question, what exactly is a biological problem? A biological problem is a question related to life and living organisms that requires a scientific solution. From understanding how cells communicate to figuring out ways to combat deadly diseases, biological problems encompass a vast array of complex and intriguing issues. The importance of solving these problems cannot be overstated. It's through these solutions that advancements in medicine, agriculture, environmental conservation, and numerous other fields are made possible. Solving a biological problem is akin to solving a mystery, where the clues are hidden in the intricate web of life itself. It's a process that requires patience, curiosity, rigorous scientific methodology, and often a bit of creativity. Here, we'll break down this process into 5 easy-to-follow steps. Step 1, identification. The first step in solving any problem is identifying what the problem is. It could be an unknown process in an organism, an unexplained behavior, or a disease without a cure. The more clearly and specifically the problem is defined, the easier it will be to tackle. Step 2, research. Once the problem is identified, the next step is to do a thorough literature review. This involves studying what other scientists have discovered about the problem, which can provide valuable insights and even potential solutions. Step 3, hypothesis formulation. After extensive research, it's time to form a hypothesis, a proposed explanation or prediction about the problem. The hypothesis should be testable and falsifiable, meaning there must be a way to prove it right or wrong through experiments. Step 4, experimentation. The hypothesis is then tested through experiments. The results of these experiments will either support or refute the hypothesis. It's important to remember that even a hypothesis that is disproven is not a failure, as it still contributes to the overall understanding of the problem. The final step, step 5, is analysis and conclusion. This involves interpreting the results of the experiments, drawing conclusions, and determining whether the results solve the problem. If they don't, it's back to the drawing board, and the process begins anew. In summary, a biological problem is a scientific question related to life and living organisms that requires a solution. The importance of solving these problems lies in the advancements and improvements they bring in various fields. The process of solving a biological problem involves 5 steps: identification of the problem, research, hypothesis formulation, experimentation, and analysis and conclusion. It's a process that demands dedication, scientific rigor, and a profound respect for the mysteries of life.